The State Cabinet on Friday approved an amendment to the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management or Frbm Act 2006 in order to bring the state's financial management norms in line with the latest provisions allowed by the Government of India. As per reports, the amendment would permit Meghalaya to raise its fiscal deficit limit from 3% to 3.5% of the gross state domestic product for borrowing purposes. The change follows the centre's decision to grant states additional fiscal leeway to meet their expenditure and developmental requirements. Briefing reporters after the cabinet meeting, Minister Wailat Miki Shilla informed that the centre had once again allowed Meghalaya to enhance its fiscal deficit ceiling. He pointed out that the state had availed a similar relaxation in the previous year and was required to undertake such amendments annually whenever the union government issued these clearances. Shilla also remarked that such permissions from the centre were not frequent and the state had to revise the Frbm provisions accordingly to utilize the increased borrowing limits.
So the first one is amendment of the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you know, that is normal thing where the government of India has allowed us to increase our fiscal deficit from 3 to 3.5 to take loan. That is normally like we have done it last year, but we have to do it every year. So this is normally to increase from 3 to 3.5. Is the amendment to Rule 6D of the Meghalaya Ministerial District Establishment Service Rule 2017 to provide for filling up of 50% of the Group D posts for the from amongst the regular casual worker. As you know that this has been a confusion in the past because there are 2 of 96 where it says that 50% of the posts will be Group D posts will be filled among the RCW, regular casual worker, but there is another OM which came in 2017 which says that all the posts will be filled by direct recruitment. So we just make it clear today that we are going with the 96 OM. We are just amending that from now onward 50% of the Group D posts will be filled from the RCW.